Diffusion is one of the most important events of the Net Impact Club at ISB, along with Pro Bono consulting projects and the Board Fellows program. So this has been happening at ISB campus in Hyderabad for the last 5 years. This is actually the first time that we've moved out of campus and we've come here in Patna, and we're doing this in collaboration with the Central University of Bihar. And we are very excited to see the response that we'll be getting from this workshop. We've been working tirelessly over the past 2 months developing certain modules for the workshop, and we've got all students from ISB who are working on this project. We are here to deliver the modules, and let's see if we get a good response, and hopefully it will make a difference to how entrepreneurs in the social sector take decisions and take their businesses forward.
Hi, we at the Vatbani Center for Entrepreneurship Development have a vision to promote enterprise creation and enterprise growth. It is under this objective that we are started Diffusion as a pilot initiative. The primary objective of Diffusion is to instill entrepreneurial approaches in traditional non-profit organizations so that they become more efficient and they are able to scale and sustain their activities. We're currently trying a pilot initiative at Bihar and trying to hopefully incorporate the learnings in subsequent sessions that we intend to do all over the country. We've partnered with Net Impact Club, and so far we've had a wonderful experience.
नमस्कार, मैं चंदन कुमार दिल्ली से। मैं अटेलियर थिएटर सोसाइटी की ओर से इस सेमिनार को अटेंड करने आया था, और ये सेमिनार डिफ्यूज़न काफ़ी अच्छा लगा मुझे इसको अटेंड करके। इसमें काफ़ी टॉपिक्स कवर किए गए जो कि एक सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के फील्ड में जो भी काम करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है। जो टॉपिक्स जैसे स्ट्रैटेजिक मार्केटिंग वगैरह, जो फंड रेजिंग की जो टॉपिक्स को कवर किया गया, बहुत ही अच्छा था हम लोगों के लिए ये जानकारी। और जो साथ में कुछ हम लोगों से हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के ऊपर जो सीट्स भरवाए गए, उन पे हमसे काम करवाए गए, उससे हमें एक सोच मिलती है। यहाँ पे हम 2 फीडबैक देना चाहेंगे कि 2 टॉपिक्स जो हमें लगा कि कवर होनी चाहिए थी, जो कि सेमिनार संचालकों ने माना भी कि जो है, एक है कि CSR टॉपिक। CSR जो कंपनी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ पे काम कर रही हैं, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा ग्रासरूट लेवल के लोगों को जानकारी दी जाए तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। दूसरा कि हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस भावुक होते हैं, सारा काम अपने दिल से करते हैं, सब चीज़ करते हैं, बट एक जब हम किसी इन्वेस्टर्स को मिलने जाते हैं तो वो एक बिजनेस प्लान की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है वहाँ पे। तो एक बेसिक फ्रेमवर्क अगर बिजनेस प्लान कैसे बनाया जाए वो भी इनकॉर्पोरेट किया जाए तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा। उसके अलावा काफ़ी अच्छा इंटरेक्शन था, काफ़ी जो टीचर्स थे जिन्होंने क्लासेस लिए काफ़ी इंटरेक्टिव वे में क्लास लिया, जो कि रिक्वायर्ड थी और जो कि बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे। धन्यवाद।
My name is Adhar Maheshwari and I'm from New Delhi and Lucknow, and my organization is known as HUM, and it's a small collection of me, a few friends and some family members who spread information about preventive health in the villages near Lucknow, near Itonja, around Itonja. And when I first found out about diffusion, I thought that it would give me an opportunity to learn about the business side of managing an NGO, not an NGO but an organization such as this, because everything I've done I did using my common sense and my intuition, and I thought this would really help in the process. And so I had these expectations. I read the topic list and I was pretty interested, and once I came here, I mean I thought that it was slightly long the whole day, because I mean probably it's my attention span, but I'm not used to sitting 9-10 hours a day. But that aside, that's the only negative. But apart from that, I really enjoyed the variety of speakers. I mean, there were a few who spoke with a lot of energy, and there were a few, I mean, mixed variety. I mean, that's the good point of having more than one person speak, is that you're always getting some fresh perspective, even if the topics might be similar or even if they're different. And I like the range which the program covered, from beginning an organization right up to disaster management, and I was especially interested in the negotiations part, since it had some very good tactics in it, and overall I really enjoyed this experience.
Dr. Gyan Shankar. I was in business of education. Started an organization called CREED, Cultural, Rural, Environment and Economic Development Society. So in the beginning, what we have done, we are now training, giving activity classes to school children. Now the children are so much loaded with the books and education only. They don't have any time. They are not taught any creativity. We give dance classes, painting classes, craft, different type of crafts and all those things.
So you'd like to talk about something on diffusion?
Yeah, and for diffusion it was really, when I was asked to join, I was very reluctant whether I'll fit in or not. At the age of 55, I'm foraying into a new domain, but then it was really very interesting. It is always better to rub shoulders with 10 people. You feel young, meeting young people.
Any feedback you would want to give us on diffusion, on the workshop itself?
The workshop was very good. It was very interesting, and you should keep it up. I know you all are also doing as a part of your project, but it is a very successful project. From our, we rate you a very high. We give you the highest rating for this, and it was very nicely organized. And next time, if I happen to organize for this NGOs, I'll invite you all. I hope you all will volunteer for this.
Sure. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, it has been a great experience to work together with Indian School of Business for Diffusion 2011. I think I greatly appreciate high spirit of the leadership on both sides, from the side of ISB and from the side of Central University of Bihar. The best part is that this has given one occasion to combine diffusion is really diffusion. I think that is what I would say, that Indian School of Business is a business in educational institution. Central University of Bihar is more in liberal education. Program in development studies is more dealing with development and growth process, focusing Bihar. So from our side, it has been a great satisfaction to work with the Indian School of Business, and I really appreciate their efforts to come out of Hyderabad, come to all the way to Bihar, and to work with us for the development of Bihar and prepare a set of entrepreneurs who are going to be the leaders in the field of social development.